equations we will consider continuous beam with support A, B. So load is applied on the span AB. Because of this load, beam will tilt like this. So this will create slope at point A as well as slope at point B because of the load which we have applied on the beam. So now because of this load, some moments are get generated at point A and B, as well as some forces are also get generated at point A and B. Now we will to consider the moments are generated at point A in a clockwise direction. The same way the moment we will going to consider at point B is in a clockwise direction. So this is because of the force which we have applied on the beam AB. So these are the assumptions which we have considered. Sometime we will get the minus sign to this one. So the sign convention we will going to consider for this type of numerical, that positive sign for clockwise movement clockwise deflection and this is the sign convention. So these moments are fixed end moment are generated at A point is MFAB, and fixed end moments will get generated at point BA. So in this we will going to assume deflection of a beam is positive, that means clockwise deflection. So here we will going to assume how it will be a clockwise, that I will explain you while explaining the forces are acting or the reactions are get generated because of this load. So now this moment reaction NAB will get generated at this point. The value, that is 4 EI theta A upon L, will get generated at point A, and reaction because of this moment, so the reactions is get generated at this point is 2 EI theta A upon L. This is also theta A, this is also theta A. So these are the moments are get generated because of this fixed end moment, and this beam will rotate like this. This will be the perpendicular to the support. Because of this MFB, the beam will rotate in this shape, or beam will tilt in this shape, which will create clockwise movement 4 EI theta B upon L, and 2 EI theta B upon L. L is the span of this beam from A to B. Now these are the moments are generated because of fixed end moment. So as we have assumed the deflection of a B is positive, that means support B will deflect in the downward direction with an amount of delta. So because of this deflection, again the moments are get generated at this point is 6 EI delta upon L square. Again L is the span between the support A and B. The same amount of moments is get generated at point A is 6 EI delta upon L square. Now this moment and transient and the other points we have derived it in the SA1. So now to find out the moment generated at the combined effect of all these forces will gives us the moment generated at point A, B. So how we will get this combined effect? So I have to add these all the moments which are generated at point A. So the clockwise movement we will going to consider it as a plus, and anti-clockwise movement we will going to consider it as a minus. So here the first moment is F, fixed time moment at point AB, plus 4 EI theta A upon L, plus again this one is a clockwise, EI theta B upon L. Now this is anti-clockwise, 6 EI delta upon L square. So after rearranging this equation, we will get 2 EI upon L that I have to as a common from all these three parameters. So I will get 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 delta upon L. So this will be the moment at AB. Similarly, to get the moment at BA, we have to add all these four moments to get this equation. So after adding this all four moments, we will get equation MBA is equal to MFBA, which is clockwise, so plus 2 EI theta A, 2 EI theta A upon L is also clockwise, plus 4 EI theta B upon L is also clockwise, and this moment because of deflection will be 6 EI delta upon L square. Now again we will rearrange it by taking common factor from these three parameters, from these three parameters. So it is theta A plus 2 theta B minus 3 delta upon L. So this will be the equation for moment at BA. So these two equations which are in the rectangular bracket are the equation of slope deflections which we will going to use for any type of beam. Now if the deflection is not given, then we will put this value as a 0. So our equation will only be this one. In this case also we will going to put the delta as a 0. So we will get equation. So I will write that equation when deflection is 0, or you can say if the deflection is not given. So moment at AB is nothing but MFAB, that is the fixed time moment, plus 2 EI upon L, 2 theta A plus theta B, and next term where it will become 0. And moment at BA is equal to MFBA plus 2 EI upon L, 2 theta B plus theta A, the third term will be 0. So these are the equations which will be applicable for any type of beam to find out the reactions on the beam.